This model kit review is of the F-4 Phantom, and this is a 1/44 scale model by Academy, and it's the German F-4. There's a picture of the model. This is a very small model. Let's have a look inside. We have 2 screws. So these ones actually have some recessed panel lines, fairly well molded. We have some little missiles here, and our stabilizer. We have wheel well covers and our pylons. Here we have our wings and the underside. No real detail on the wheel wells. It's a very small model. Fuel tanks, wheels, and air intakes. Here are our exhausts. We do have a very small little canopy. Here we have the decals, reasonably well printed. And then we have our instructions here. So, not a lot of detail, not a lot of parts, but molding quality is reasonable. Here are the colors and the painting and decal guide.